Okay, so I'm continuing on my series and I get asked so many questions about how to file. And a lot of people just file on their computers. They get a document in and they put it in a file on their computer. That is great, but a lot of people still do it this way. And I happen to be one of those people. I actually do it both ways, but I still do it this way too. Mainly, I've broken it down to really important things that my husband would need to get to as well, so that it works for everyone in your family, not just yourself. Because when emergencies happen, you want people to be able to find your items. And unless they have the password on your computer, they're not going to be able to find them. So I like to keep the mortgage papers, the health insurance, the life insurance, those important things to do with both our cars, things you want to get to on a regular basis that more than one person will have to get to. I also keep my business paperwork at home. So I have two, but one is usually fine for a regular home situation. How do you file? Honestly, that is up to you. I like to do it by categories. So I keep all the insurance documents together because we have so many. And I keep all of the household items together, like say the lawn and the pest control. It just depends. And what works for your neighbor down the street or your sister-in-law may not work for you, and that is okay, because getting organized is not about what works for everyone else. It's about what works for you. Stay tuned for next week's.